Ugh, not again. But wait, can this small strand be evidence on the crime scene? In this video, let's talk about the hair evidence. And I'm Charu, the forensic biology educator on Think Sakshya. Hair is one of the most frequently found biological traces at crime scenes. Hair is lightweight, easily transferable on various artifacts such as your clothing, vehicles and furnitures on the crime scene. Hair analysis can help us determine the things such as the species of the hair, human or non-human, the body area it came from, the part of the body the hair belongs to. Number third is whether it was forcibly removed. Number fourth, the age, sex and race of the person. Types of hair examinations that can be carried are: number first, microscopic analysis. It is done to study its structure and characteristics. A hair strand has three main layers. First, cuticle. This is the protective outer coating of the hair. It's made of overlapping scale-like cells, kind of like shingles on a roof. These scales vary between species, which is why we can tell if the hair is human or animal. In forensic science, we also analyze the scale pattern to determine the hair origin. Second is cortex, middle layer. This is the thickest part of the hair. It contains melanin, the pigment that gives color to the hair. Also holds cortical fusi, ovoid bodies and pigment granules. Most forensic characteristics like color, medullary structure and dye presence are studied here. The cortex tells us about race, treatments and hair color. Medulla, it is inner core of the hair, which may be continuous, fragmented or even absent. It varies in thickness and presence between species. In humans, the medulla may appear fragmented or very thin, while in animals it is often thicker and more structured. It helps in species determination. Second is DNA profiling. DNA profiling can be done in two ways. First is mitochondrial DNA analysis. It is done from the shaft, and the nucleic DNA analysis can be done from the hair root, which is present in the hair recovered from the crime scene. Famous case study solved using hair evidence is the Wayne Williams case from USA. Between 1979 and 1981, at least 29 black children and young adults were murdered in Atlanta. Wayne Williams became a suspect. Fibers from his carpet, bedspread, and dog hair were found on multiple victims. The hair and fiber evidence connected Williams to 12 murders, and he was convicted in 1982. When combined with solid lab work and DNA testing, hair evidence can become a deciding factor in court. It's silent but powerful. So, as we have learned the importance of hair evidence on the crime scene, next time you lose your hair, remember its role on solving crimes. Thank you and subscribe Think Sakshya for more such interesting videos.